Hi to all. Now we can do the program for descending order in 8085 microprocessor kit. I have given the data before itself. So next, reset exam memory 9040. Here I am giving the count value 0, 5. I am entering the data 13. Next 48, 56, 89, 67. I am giving the 67. So click execute, go 9000, execute, reset exam memory 9040. Now here we are getting the output, that is first value count value, and then 89 we are decreasing the values 89, 67, 56, 48, 13. Okay, we can try another one too. Exam memory 9040, I am giving the count 06. I am giving the count here 6. So here I am entering the data, that is 39, 73, 96, 05, 80, 13. Okay. Then click execute, go 9000, execute, reset exam memory 9040. Then see here the count I am given 6, and then the highest address is 96, next 80, next 73, 39, 13, 05. Likewise we can do number of repetitions. I hope you all got the execution correctly. Thank you.